Hi everyone. Today we are going to see the topic is ratio and proportion. What is a ratio and what is proportion? First, ratio. The rate of two quantities in same unit is known as a ratio. The fraction of A by B can be written as A is to B. The ratio is nothing but in the form of A is to B. When we take an example 5 by 7 in fractional format, we have to write as 5 is to 7 because 5 by 7 which get the same unit, so we have to write in a ratio of 5 is to 7. From the fraction of A by B, it can be written as A is to B, where A is the first term or antecedent, where B is the second term or consequent. The numerator term is called antecedent and denominator is called consequent. The numerator will comes on left side and denominator which comes on right side of the ratio symbol. Next, proportion. The definition of proportion is nothing but the equality of two ratio is called proportion. Here the ratio considered as A is to B and C is to D. There are two ratios which are equally, so it is called proportion. It can be also write A is to B is to C is to D. The A is to B equal to C is to D. It also can be written as A is to B and double is to C is to D, where A and B are extremes, C and D are mean terms. When A, B, C, D are in proportional. The proportion is nothing but when two ratio which are equal. In ratio and proportion, in this format, here two ratios are equally given. Here four variables are there. A is to B equal to C is to D. Here A, B, C and D. The four terms are given. So the D is the fourth proportion of the A and B and C. Four variables given. D is the fourth proportional to A, B and C. In second format, A is to B is equal to B is to C. Here A, B and C, three variables only given. So C is the third proportional to A and B. Then the next term is mean proportional. Mean proportional is nothing but the mean proportional which between A and B. Like we have to find the mean proportion of A and B, root of A and B. The mean proportion is nothing but root of A and B. The mean proportional value which between A and B. Next, comparison of ratio. Here the two ratio which are compared with each other. Here A is to B is a first ratio and C is to D is a second ratio. The first ratio of A is to B which is greater than C is to D ratio. We have to write like A is to B can be write as A by B which greater than C by D. In compound ratio, the given is A is to B into C is to D into E is to F. We have to write this like we have to multiply with all the left hand side terms of ratio and we have to write A multiply with C multiply with E is to the right hand side B D F is to B D F. This is the compound ratio format. Next, the duplicate ratio of A is to B is A square is to B square. Then the sub-duplicate ratio which can be right for A is to B is root of A is to root of B. The triplicate ratio of A is to B is A cube is to B cube. The sub-triplicate of A is to B which can be right in the format is A power 1 by 3 is to B power 1 by 3, or it may write as the cubed root of A is to cubed root of B. Then the componendo and dividendo of A by B is equal to C by D, which can be write as A plus B divided by A minus B is equal to C plus D divided by C minus D. How it comes is, we have to simplify this format. We can get the A by B is equal to C by D. A plus B and C minus D which can cross multiply with numerator and denominator. We can get A into C AC minus A into minus D, B into C plus BC, B into D minus BD. So like that, this denominator which multiply with that numerator, we can get these values. From here AC and AC which get cancelled because both are in same sign, both are separated by the equal. So when the AC goes apart from that equal, the sign get changed. So the AC and AC get cancelled. Here BD and BD get cancelled. Here AD and AD. So the AD which comes in that side 2AD and BC's come in this side 2BC. So 2 and 2 get cancelled. AD is equal to BC. So the B gets in denominator and D gets in denominator of C. So the value which gets A by B is equal to C by D. The next is variation. When X and Y, the two variables taken, if the X is directly proportional to the Y, we have to write X directly proportional to Y. We can write it like X is equal to K into Y. Because of proportional simple, directly proportional simple, we can use the constant value in the equal value. So here K is some constant value. Also, if X is inversely proportional to Y, we have to write X directly proportional to 1 by Y, which also same like inverse of that Y value. So X is inversely proportional to Y, we have to write X is equal to K into 1 by Y. Here K is also some constant value. So we have to write the directly proportional value X directly proportional to Y is equal to X is into Ky. X is inversely proportional to Y, which write X is equal to K by Y or K into 1 by Y. This is the variation. We can see with an example. The given value is, if A is to B is equal to 5 is to 9 and B is to C is equal to 4 is to 7, find A is to B is to C value, where the given A is to B is equal to 5 is to 9 and B is to C is equal to 4 is to 7. Here 2B value are given. So we have to merge this 2B value into a single B value. So we have to write like the 9 by 4, which can be write as 9 by 4. We have to merge the both B value into a single value. we have to write a 9 comma 4 is right like 9 by 4. Now we can find the B is to C ratio. The B value is 4 into 9 by 4 is 2. Then we have to find the C, 7 into 9 by 4. For this purpose, we are going to write a B is to C value which merge with A is to B. So we can get A is to B is to C value. Like here 4 and 4 get cancelled. Now we are going to find B is to C value which merge with B. Okay. Here 4 and 4 get cancelled. 9 is to here 63 divided by 4. Now we found the B is to C value in A is to B is to C ratio. This is B is to C. So here A value is not disturbed and A is only one time given. So we have to write in the format of A is to B is to C is equal to the A value is 5 is to and the B value which can be merged with this B is to C ratio. We can found the values. B is 9 is to 63 divided by 4. In this ratio, it should not be in fractional format. So we have to convert into a natural number. In this C divided by 4 is there. So we have to multiply by 4 for the common 3A and B and C terms. So we have to multiply with 4 on numerator. The value should not be changed. The format only could be changed. 5 into 4, 20 is to 36 is to 63 multiplied by 4 and divided by 4, the value is to be 63 only. So the A is to B is to C ratio of the given format can be converted into 20 is to 36 is to 63. The next example is find the fourth proportional to 4, 9, 12. Here three values are given. Now we are going to find the fourth proportional value of the sum. So it is given values are in fourth proportional. The format is A is to B is equal to C is to D. Here D is the fourth proportional. The given value, three values are A, B and C. A is 4 is to 9 is equal to 12 is to, we have to find X, that is the fourth proportional. Now we can find the value. It can be write as 4 by 9 is equal to 12 by X. We have to find the X. So keep the X on left side of the equal. Here 12 remains. The 4 by 9 which goes on the next side, it convert like 9 by 4. We have to simplify 3 times of 4 in 12. So X is equal to 27. So the fourth proportional of 4, 9, 12, that is D is 27. The next example is to find the third proportional of 16, 36. Here the two values A and B are given. We have to find the C value. To find the third proportion, we have to use that formula of A is to B is equal to B is to C. So we have to find the C value. Only A and B are given. So we take A is 16 is to B 36 is equal to 36 is to X. X value is the third proportional value. So we can write 16 by 36 is equal to 36 by X. we have to find the x value. So 36 remains. It can be right 36 divided by 16. 4 4s are 16, 9 4s are 36. So the x value is 81. So the third proportional of 16, 36 is C is equal to 81. The next type of example is to find the mean proportional between 0.08 and 0.18. The formula to find the mean proportional is a comma b, that is root of a b. So the a is 0.08 and b is 0.18. We have to find the mean proportional which between 0.08 and 0.18. So we can write the whole root of 0.08 into 0.18. We have to convert this decimal into fraction. So 0.08, two digit which have the dot. So we have to multiply and divide by 100. 8 by 100 into, here also same, 18 by 100. The multiplication of numerator is 144 divided by denominator is 10,000. 100 into 100, 10,000. So we have to take the root of numerator and denominator is 12 by 100. The value is 0.12, which between the 0.08 to 0.18. So this is the mean proportional of 0.08 and 0.18, that is 0.12. Next, the given sum is, if x is to y is equal to 3 by 4 means find the 4x plus 5y is to 5x minus 2y value. Here x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. So we have to find 4x plus 5y is to 5x minus 2y. Here we can apply the x and y values in that format. So we can write 4 into x value 3 plus 5 into y value 4 is to 5 into x value 3 minus 2 into y value 4. So we can simplify. 4 3s are 12 plus 20 is to 5 3s are 15 minus 2 4s are 8. So 20 plus 12, 32 is to 7. So 4x plus 5y is to 5x minus 2y. When x is equal to 3, y is equal to 4, the value which became 32 is to 7, or it may write 32 divided by 7. In this sum, the given question is divide rupees 672 in the rate of 5:3. We have to divide the 672 value into 5:3 format. So the given is 672, which is equal to 5:3, that is 8 times. So we have to divide the 672 equal to 5:3 ratio. So we can find 672 divided by 8. We have to find for 1 unit. At the same time we have to find for 5 unit, which like we have to simplify this and we can get the value is 420 for the ratio of 5. Then we have to find the ratio of 3 is 672 for the 1 unit. So we have to divide it by 8 into multiply with 3. We have to get the value is 252. Hence the dividend value of 672 in the ratio of 5:3 is 420:252, which in the ratio of 5:3. So far we have seen the topic about ratio and proportions with examples and various methods and types. The class is useful to you. Please kindly support for my channel. Thank you.